Right. Hopefully today now you can see what Uzai is doing. Because of the lay of the land and it's running down, we have to take some soil away so we can get a good depth of cement on top. But now you can see it. We're virtually at the level now of the wall. And then after this, we have to go to the end of the wall. As you can see, Uzai's coming. And then we're going to try and fill it with topsoil. And then it can set, and we'll leave it now for weeks, even months before we let it all settle down. What we don't want to do is put cement on too soon and it's not set. It's not hard. We need all the stones to settle. So when we put the cement on, it's going to be solid. Right, but I'll step back a little bit and then you can see as I come back. Quite warm today, but it looks, considering we only started last week, that's 3 days. Well, 3 and a bit days with today. It's been very good. We've done well. If you're wondering where the stones are from, here. And a few thousand. There's the lads filling the barrow. But the good thing, it's two birds, one stone. Building a patio and we're cleaning up all the stones, or most of them anyway. Okay, do another video when it's finally finished. Right, this is the last video for this bit. We've finished. Well, we're finished in the sense that Uzai is just putting the last piece in, but now you can see the wood's put in, ready for the cement man to come. It took 4 days, all told. There's been a lot and a lot of work gone into this, I'll tell you. Very physical. Collecting the stones, collecting the soil. Everybody's worked very, very hard for this. But it'll be worth it when it's finished. I'll come here out of the way. Now you can see it. See it now? Level.
Come on.
That's it, just this little bit, but that's it. Now we have to wait for the cement man. When he's ready, he'll phone Uzai and say he's coming. But now it's finished, it's all ready for the cement. So I'll just come round and just say. That's it. See you later.